Hey there, loves. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well and I hope all of you enjoyed your Mother's Day. To those that are mothers, happy belated Mother's Day. We are finally getting this patio together. This corner is where we usually store our gardening equipment, and for some reason every single winter, even though it is covered, it collects a lot of debris. So we're going to clean up that area. I really wish it had a door there, but this is not our forever home, so I don't think we're going to ever add one. But that is where we store our equipment for our gardening. So we're just going to be cleaning off the things that go back in that corner, as well as all of our patio furniture. The weather has been changing so consistently, so frequently over the past couple months that this video that was only supposed to take maybe a weekend took several weeks. Literally several weeks, because we would go outside to start the project and then it would be nice and sunny for maybe an hour or so, and then it would be pouring rain. We even had snow, y'all. We even had hail. And I'm wondering, where is spring? So I know in May it kind of rains a lot, but y'all, we wasn't even in May yet, okay? So I am very excited that we are finally able to put this video out for you guys and share our little refresh for the spring, and I'm definitely going to do another refresh for the summer. So right now what you see us doing is cleaning off all of our patio furniture, as well as the things that have to go back in that little corner where we store our gardening equipment. I definitely had to go in and dust down the walls because it just had too much cob on the walls, and it didn't make sense decorating that area with the walls looking so filthy. It just didn't make sense to me. So that's what you guys see me doing. I'm just trying my best to remove any webs or cob that's on the wall. Now that the patio area is clean, we're just going to go ahead and put everything back on the patio. I don't think we did much after this because I think this day it rained more, so the only thing we were able to do was wash down everything and then put them back on the patio. And of course we set up our picnic bench. I'm going to make this another project later on down because it is, or the paint or lack. What is lack? Gloss. The finish on it is starting to lift, so I want to go in and sand it down and then just put a nice finish on top of it. I don't think I want to paint it, but I just want that nice smooth wooden look. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make that a project later on down, probably in the summertime when the weather is, you know, a little more consistent. Babe is just hanging up the hanging baskets for me because that's really high and I could barely reach it. I literally need a ladder, but all he needed was a stool or a chair. This is of course a different day, a day that I was able to get outside, and as you guys can see, the grass has grown. Okay, so it's been a minute. But what I'm going to be doing is planting, literally planting my faux plants now. So if you guys watch my last couple videos, I've said that I am just tired of killing my plants. Those plants over there are the only ones that are surviving me, okay? Literally surviving me. So I'm going to plant these faux plants until I feel confident enough that I'm able to take care of some real plants, because my ferns died as well as my palms. Now I've heard that palms are a little difficult to take care of, but I just don't want to chance it right now. So I'm going to make these faux plants look as realistic as I possibly can, okay? Before I go ahead and plant my faux plants, I'm going to wrap the bottom in some plastic wrap because I may want to take these out of the dirt one day and use them without it. So I want to protect the planter or the planter so that it looks in good condition just in case I decide to use this somewhere else, maybe inside the house or just somewhere else. So I'm just going to be using the soil that my old plants were in. I'm so sad that I lost my babies, but it's okay. It's okay. We live and we learn. I'm just going to go ahead and use these full ones until I can manage taking care of some real ones. Here are my DIY flower boxes. If you guys did not watch that video, definitely go ahead and watch that video. I think these came out very cute, and I must say they don't really look that faux. They kind of look a little real to me, okay? If it's just my imagination, leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. I did my best, and I love how they look. I decided to go ahead and zip tie them to our privacy screen instead of using hooks, just in case a gush of wind comes by that they cannot stand and they go flying all over the yard. So I decided to zip tie them there to make sure that they are as secured as possible, you know, as possible. Ain't no guarantee, but as possible. Now, because your girl is all about a nighttime vibe, I had to go ahead and add some solar lights to my planters. Now, the only down thing I wish is that I got these the first time I wanted to get them because they were 88 cents, and when I went back again, they were €1.11. Okay, but I didn't get all of the same ones. I decided to go ahead and get these thicker ones for the outskirt of the patio because they just look nicer, and these ones cost €2.99, and I must say the nighttime vibe is it, darling. It is it. Honey and I are definitely enjoying this little oasis, our little nighttime escape. Like I said before, I am all for romanticizing my life. So when I saw this candle, and it was only for €6 and some change, and it had the wooden wick, honey, I was sold. I said this would go perfect in the little dining area, and plus it was inexpensive. Like, you cannot beat that price. This jar or the container is concrete. This candle is so heavy and it is so huge. It was perfect. I said I had to have it, and it was inexpensive. Come on. Win-win situation. Of course, guys, safety first. I know I'm not going to be lighting the candle with the plants close to it, but for this video, it's all about the aesthetics, okay? But I just love this piece. When we light this at night, oh my goodness, just the little crackling sound, and it is so bright. It is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. The plating is only there for right now because hubby and I decided to go ahead and have breakfast on the patio, and that is one of the things that I look forward to, especially on days when he has some time for us to have breakfast on the patio together. It is just it's just everything for me. Now for our sitting area, I did go ahead and purchase new cushions. I really wanted new furniture, like I really wanted a sectional for this area, but I just didn't think that it made sense purchasing one right now. So I just went ahead and purchased some new cushions to spruce up the area. It looks cute for right now, but later on down, maybe we will bite the bullet and just purchase some new seating. But it looks really, really cute right now with the gray cushions. I also want to attempt DIYing a egg chair cushion for my egg chair swing, because the ones that I have are very colorful. Like literally it is a fluorescent colorful cushion and I hate it. So I decided to go ahead and use one of our single duvet inserts instead as a cushion, and it definitely works because it's one that we don't really use, and it's just one that is inside the closet. I decided to go ahead and make that the cushion for our egg chair, and I'm probably going to use that when I'm making the cover as well to put over that. So I'm just sprucing it up with a little throw and a gray cushion to match the other cushions on the other side. And of course, if you guys don't remember these lanterns, I bought these last year in our first makeover, and they come in clutch. Like I just love them. They're kind of boho-ish, but they go with the, you know, the vibes for outside. So everything is decorated, and this is how everything looks in the daytime. So definitely stay tuned for the nighttime clip because it is stunning. And here is a glimpse of the nighttime vibes. This, for me and hubby, is everything. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, even though I do want to change some stuff myself, especially the seating area furniture. Until then, this will definitely do. I love how this little refresh turned out. If you guys also like how it turned out, go ahead, smash that like button. Also comment down below, tell me what you guys would do differently. Tell me if you guys already made over your patios for the spring or for the summer, if you're getting ready to do it over for the summer. Also share this video with somebody because sharing is caring. And if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and do it. Make a commitment and let us be in this together. So until then, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and y'all stay safe out there until next time. Tschüss.